Hi everyone, I'm Professor Ben Aldrich and I'd like to welcome you to Music 106, Learning About Music. This is a music appreciation class being taught as a synchronous online course, and the various assignments related to the class will be released online on the Blackboard site at class times. The class times are 10 a.m. and 7:30 p.m. both on Tuesdays. There will be 4 types of assigned work related to the textbook, online textbook, to the morning classes, to the evening classes, and also test taking. The grade will be based on a cumulative point system. You'll build points with all of the various assignments that you do, and you can check in the syllabus. The bottom of page 4 has a table where point totals are equated to letter grades. I'm going to now show you a little bit about the Blackboard site. So you'll know how to work that, and I'll give you a little more information about the course as we go. All right, so here we are on Blackboard. Find the course, and once you find that, almost everything you're going to need is right here in the content area. If we click on this, you'll see that there are a series of folders relating to different aspects of the class. The very first one, Course Documents, is going to be available to you as of 9 a.m. on August 24th. The syllabus is there. Be certain to read that carefully. There is a description guide which will help you in describing music that you listen to throughout the course. There is a document explaining to you how to write short reports that are a part of the coursework. I'll talk about that at the first evening time. There's information about the first test, just to help you be as comfortable as possible testing online if you haven't done that before. The next folder, McGraw-Hill Connect. This will connect you with the site to purchase access to the textbook and the materials that go with it. You'll just need to click on this, click on the textbook link, and it will take you directly to the site where you can do that. The next folder down is a series of assignments that relate to each of the chapters of the textbook. There's one chapter for each week of the class. When you click on this, they come up one by one. They will appear at the class time, and each of these assignments will be available to you for 1 week. When you click on the homework number 1, it will pop up. I'll give you a little preview of it. You'll see all of this when it comes up. You will answer questions relating to the text material, and make certain that you access it through the Blackboard site rather than the textbook site, because at that point your grades will go directly into the gradebook, the online gradebook for the class. Learning Classes folder contains information for each week's class. You'll see that the first class, Introduction and Basics, there's a document that you'll click on that will have some terms and the assignment. The assignments for each of the classes, just answering short questions about music that you will listen to that relates to each class's material, are NT1, NT2, etc. for non-text homework number 1. Regarding the evening classes, when we were meeting face-to-face, most of these classes were live performances, but obviously we need to use video now. There will be video presentations for each of these classes. The very first class, there will be an assignment for a 500-word essay about the content of the class. The remaining weeks, there will be opportunities to write additional reports, and it will be up to you how many you write and which ones you'd like to write about. Part of the reason I'm doing it this way is because part of the appreciation of music is that musicians have to be self-motivated. So I'm not going to say they're all required. You'll need to pick and choose which ones you write about, but you'll need to write at least 4 or 5 of these short reports to get an A or a B in the class, the way the class is designed. I'll talk more about report writing, as I mentioned, at the first evening class. Finally, the last folder here is the tests folder. All the tests are here. Things will begin with a syllabus quiz. This quiz, along with everything in the course documents folder, will be available to you from Monday, August the 17th on. Not the 24th, but the 17th. All right, and there is specific information about all the various tests in the syllabus. There is information about getting ready to take the first online test in the course documents folder as well. Outside the content area, there is one other thing that I want to bring to your attention. You can check your grades, your grade point total, at any time you like. All you need to do is go to Tools over here, scroll down and find My Grades, click on that, and you will see your grade activity for each assignment that you do during the course of the term. You can also refer back to them for your study purposes as you get ready to take the tests. So, to close, anytime after August 17th, you can go on the site, check all the course documents, definitely read the syllabus carefully, study the syllabus. You can take the quiz before classes start if you like. Read the other documents, the report guidelines, etc. If you have questions, you can drop me an email. My address is in the syllabus. I'd be happy to answer questions, but make sure that you read everything carefully first. I think it's pretty self-explanatory. And I'll look forward to seeing you all on August the 25th, 10 a.m. for our first class session. Thanks, and I hope you enjoy learning about music.